Already, baby, ha? It's already make a beautiful cursive letter A.
I hate cursive.
Okay na, go na. Wow, very good. Okay, continue, my son. Go. Wow, very good. Okay, good job. Okay, continue, my son. One page only. And then tomorrow
But
again,
Ma,
letter B.
it's like that.
Okay, it's only letter A. Then tomorrow again, letter B. Okay, after that, you take a rest, okay? That's a request for teacher Cell. Teacher Cell said that you must practice writing cursive for alphabet. First letter of alphabet is letter A.
What about normal?
Oh, maybe
Cursive
next.
is
What are you? Oh, sino? Come on. Okay, one page only. It's enough for you to practice your hand. It's okay, my son. No need to cry. Okay.
cursive is not special.
Oo. Sige na, continue. Don't cry. No, see, it's good. Beautiful handwriting, Jolus. Okay. Continue, my son.
Okay.
Okay.
After we do this, then it's not gonna be normal, straight writing.
Okay, next day, baby, ha? Okay, no need to cry. It's okay, just for you to practice your handwriting. Writing cursive. May I see? Show it on the camera. Okay, very good. Let me see, my son. Okay, so practice more, my son. Okay, come on, continue. It's good. No need to cry, Cholus. Leave a space. Okay, go. Wait for a while, my son. You must write there. No, your is not good. You can write here. Leave the one line. Then, erase. Okay, you can write on the third line. Leave the red one and then blue, red, blue. Okay, you start right on the three line. Okay, very good. Okay. Leave one line, then blue, red, blue again. Come on. Practice, my son. Sit. Okay. Okay, very good.
Okay, this is done.
Okay, the last one. You see, there's more. The last lesson. And after that, we will send it to teacher cell.
Okay, by the time I'm done,
Yes.
I'm gonna show you something big. Really big. Diddy buns big.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now I'm gonna show you something big.
Oh, what's that?
It's a wither storm.
It's a wither storm.
It's from Minecraft.
Oh, it looks like an octopus.
Yeah,
Okay.
except bigger.
Okay, so Messi baby, if you're done, let's finish writing your alphabet cursive. I'll show it to teacher cell. Okay. Practice baby ha, more practice so that you have good writing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is the wither storm. It can first it starts as a normal Minecraft wither, and except with a command block inside its chest, and then it starts growing bigger, and bigger until it gets too big, and now it's in this phase.
Oh, okay. So are you happy to write alphabet, cursive alphabet, letter A?
Yes.
Oh, no need to cry. Next time, letter B, cursive letter B, okay? Okay, may tomorrow. Okay, bye, baby. Bye. Smile. You smile. Are you happy? Are you happy, my son?
Okay, don't forget about the wither storm, and this is the wither storm scene.
Okay. Thank you, Jolus. Thank you, Jolus.
Okay, this
bye.
is the wither storm team.
Okay, bye-bye, my son. Okay, bye-bye, baby.